Hey, welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to show you how exactly we can perform this scroll operation. In order to perform this scroll operation, guys, the two most important things that we need to pass, one is the direction of a scroll and the second one is an offset basically. So how much percentage you want to perform this scroll operation. So for that, what I have done is I have just installed an app on my mobile, which is a ScrollView. So whenever I'm trying to perform a scroll down, I was able to see this. Whenever I was trying to perform a scroll up, I was able to see the header itself. So this is what the scroll down and as well as the scroll up operations. For that, it's mandatory for us to have this UI scroll view. It's mandatory for us to pass this UI scroll view. So what I have done right now here is I have specified my app path and as well as a bundle ID. As you all know that by running a command in the terminal, we will be getting that information. I have updated that information here. Okay, I have just updated that information here. Now, what I'm doing here is whatever the existing test is there, copy paste that particular test. Okay, and here the method that we wanna do here is a scroll. Okay, so perform a scroll operation. Okay, a scroll operation. I don't want to mention the speed here. And this time the application URL is already specified, so I no need to specify that. So the only thing that you need to do here is ideally for any type of a scroll, okay, ideally for any type of a scroll, there is a class name. So we just need to define that particular class name. Okay, so we just need to define that particular class name as a type here. So what I'm gonna do right now here is await element by dot type. So the type here is, okay, I just want to give UI, okay, the scroll view. Okay, UI scroll view. So in that particular application, whichever the UI scroll view class is there, perform a scroll down for 200 offset, and that too you want to perform a down operation on it. Okay, you just want to perform a down operation on it. That's it, guys. I haven't done anything. Let me try to run this particular command and check out the simulator whether it is performing that particular operation or not. So here it got a failed, and here we need to specify that particular index. So as we know that the index is the key thing that we need to specify. So I have specified the index and let me try to run it. Okay, let me try to run it. So as and when you started executing that, see this time, even it got a failed. Okay, even it got a failed. The scroll down. Okay, why it got a failed with respect to the scroll down? Just 1 second. So here, multiple elements are found the class UI scroll view. Okay, so even I asked it to perform the index at a level 0. Okay, so let me save my test. Okay, let me save my test and let me try to rerun the program. So why I saved my test here is before, when I executing the program, I just saw a star button here, which I felt that the program wasn't saved successfully. That's the reason I saved it and I'm trying to run this program again. Let us see this time. Okay, so this time it's performing this operation perfectly. All right, so now what I am doing here is copy this command, put it back again, and instead of a down, and I'm just changing to up, and let me try to run this command and check it out whether it is performing a down up and up operation, both the operations, whether it is performing or not. Let's check it out. So this is the way how exactly we can handle this scroll. And in general, guys, you may ask me a question, Surendra, why can't we play with this UI kit catalog application? So UI kit catalog, it's not a scroll view basically, it's in a tabular view. Even we have seen earlier, basically this is in a tabular view. So this scroll will be working precisely on a scroll view itself. Okay, so perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.